Hello and very warm welcome to One India News YouTube channel. I'm Gulab. In a shocking incident in Bangalore, neighbors assaulted a student. Now you can see this video.
Break your head for you. Go for it. Fuck up. Fuck up. Don't talk. Don't talk. Get up. Get up. Get up. Nalik, out. Get out from here. When you come back, get out. Get out. Get out. They'll kill you. Get out.
Neighbors assaulting a student, a native from northeast in Bangalore, has been captured on camera. Altercation is said to have taken place over a parking issue. Bangalore police registered a suo motu case after a video showing a northeastern student being assaulted surfaced. The Bansarwadi police have booked 3 people for assaulting a student and intimidating his friend. This incident, which is said to have taken place on December 26, 2016, came to light only after an association for welfare of northeastern students in Bangalore highlighted it. This is not the first time this happened in Bangalore. In 2014, an engineering student from northeastern state was attacked with stones. That's all for now. For more news and updates, don't forget to subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.